Hello, today I want to show you how to go from a Ready Player Me avatar to a Mixamo animation all the way to using that animation in Unity. So I'm assuming that you can do a lot of the setup on your own, so I just want to point out that I have signed up for an account with Ready Player Me. I have signed up for an account with Mixamo. I've downloaded and installed Blender and started a basic project, and I have downloaded and installed Unity and started a blank project. Other than that, I'll be starting from scratch, so let's go ahead and go to Ready Player Me. I'm going to go here, enter the hub, and you can see right here that I've created 2 avatars. I'm going to just create another one, create a new avatar. Let's make a full body avatar, and for this one I'll make a masculine one. You can start with a photo. I'm just going to continue without a photo, and I'm going to make this person right here. Okay, so at this point you can go through and you can adjust the various features, and I'm sure that we could all spend hours doing this, but I'm just going to pick some random things here, and there is my avatar. So I'm going to click Enter Hub, and it's going to start preparing my avatar. Okay, there's my new avatar. And so let's download that avatar as a GLB file, and we see that right there it's downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and show it in the folder. And I can't stand those long titles, so I'm going to rename this Demo Avatar. And now I've got my .glb file. In order to use Mixamo, I need an FBX file. So I'm going to go over here to Blender, press X to delete the default cube, and then I'm going to import the GLB. And that was in my downloads. There's my demo avatar. And there we go. To confirm that the textures are there, I'm going to switch over here. And there is my avatar, just like I wanted. So I am just going to export this. And the export as an FBX, that's what Mixamo wants. Couple settings that you want to adjust here. On path mode, you want to change it to copy, and then you want to click embed textures. That way the texture comes with it. Right here, it's going to ask what you want to include. So let's go ahead and say that we don't want the camera, we don't want the lamp, we do want the armature, the mesh. So I'm going to hold down shift. I'm going to take everything except for the camera and the lamp, and then let's go ahead and title this. Just going to call this guy demo. Export. Okay, so at this point we should be done with Blender. We don't need to save that. So I'm going to go over to Mixamo, and this is the default screen here, and I'm going to say upload character, and I think I actually saved it to documents. There it is, demo. So at this point it's all auto rigged. Looks like that came out pretty nicely, so I can just click next. And there is my character. So now I can search through here to find an animation that I want. So I'm going to go ahead and pick a dance. We'll use this hip hop dance. I can make some adjustments right here to get it the way that I want. But for right now, I'm going to say that this one is okay with me, so I'm just going to download this. We'll say that I want the FBX for Unity. I want it with the skin, 30 frames per second, no keyframe reduction. Let's go ahead and download that. And now I have this file in my downloads folder. So I'm going to go over here into Unity, and let's go ahead. I'll show in folder. There's my hip hop dancing, and I'm just going to drag this into here. And of course, you should definitely organize your stuff better, but for right now, I'm just going to keep this simple. Let's drag this guy into the hierarchy, and there it is. Right now, I can't see any of the textures, so in order to fix that, we'll go over here, materials, and right here where it says use embedded materials, we're going to say use external materials legacy, apply. And there he is. Let's go ahead and get the animation working. So I see here's that hip hop animation there. I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to put loop time on it so that way it'll happen over and over again. And then right here on my model, let's add animator, and then we'll create an animation controller. And drag the animation controller into the animator. Let's open this up, and we'll just say that his default animation is, nope, not that one, it's this hip hop dance. Okay, and if we did everything correctly, then when we push play, we should see this animation. And there he goes.